Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be another memory plan with me. I'm getting back in the swing of things, of sharing these with you guys because I really do love creating them. Just a few notes on my memory planner. This is actually a vertical planner from Michaels. It is spiral bound. It is 18 months, started in July of this year and goes all the way to December of 2021. When it comes to my memory planning style, I like to plan ahead, as in I'm doing a week in December right now. I like to create my spreads, and then when that week comes, my spread is already ready to go, but I still have that flexibility to add in stickers throughout that week. So I like planning ahead because sometimes I'm just in the mood to lay down stickers, but when that week comes, I still have the ability to add more, which I love. So it's the best of both worlds for me. The last time I did one of these memory plan with me's, I did a kit here for fall. This was for the week of November 23rd. I do need to go ahead and fill in the dates, but that's not a priority right now. This is from the shop Sweet Fox Papery. I'm going to be doing two spreads in this video. Both are from Sweet Fox Papery. So this one is a Christmas kit for the week of December 7th. And then for the week of January 4th, I'm going to go ahead and do this Inhale one here, which is again from Sweet Fox Papery. I love that her kits, I can get date headers, but then I also have the full boxes, the decorative elements here, the functional, and then the boxes. So the kits are formatted the same. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hope you guys grab your planner and plan with me. Let's go. So that is it for the 2 spreads that I created using the stickers from Sweet Fox Paperie. So let me just flip back to the one in December. So here's that one, and then here is this one for the week of January 4th. And this is for the 2nd week in December. Now, this is pretty sticker heavy. Some spreads I do have where it's more white space. But for spreads like this, because the stickers are so beautiful and I don't mind showcasing them, I can do the flap where I just take regular computer paper and create flaps, which I love doing. It also adds extra layers to the spread and gives it a little something more. So that, if I do need more space, then I have that. But it all depends on what I have going on that week. And same thing with this one. Now for the leftover stickers, I am going to be using this in the monthly, because what I like to do with the monthly is I go through each of the days and I write in the highlight of that day. So I've been enjoying doing that. And then over here, if there's something that stood out, then I'll write it. And then at the end of the month, it does have this blank space, and that is where, if something pivotal happened that month, then that is what I will write here. And so far, so good. So that is all for this spread, and then the leftover stickers, and I'll be using these in my December monthly as well. So that's how I'm going to make use of those, as I've already started here in January 2021. Again, I love to plan ahead. I love how vibrant these stickers are, and they were very easy to move off of the page as well, which was a bonus. But that is it for this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed both spreads. Hope you guys got some planning done yourself. Be sure to leave a comment below letting me know which spread you liked more. Is it the Christmas spread or this more neutral one for January? Would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And also let me know, are you guys memory planning? How do you keep up with that? Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, links to Sweet Fox Paperie and other planner related stuff, of course, and the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.